What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to talk to you guys about full auto join, but unfortunately I won't be able to explain this full auto join with the SQL because in the MySQL full auto join isn't available. Okay guys, let's not waste time and let's get started. I will choose a color here and I will say actually the full auto join equal the left join plus and the right join. Okay, actually I can say that when you say full auto join, you will get all records from the table 2. Actually this is the teacher table. You will get all the records from the teacher, and also you will get all the records from the student, and also you will get the matching value. Actually I can say that you will get everything. Okay, and that is what full auto join. And let's now try to repeat all the joins until here. We learned until here. I will erase all of this and I will grab this again. Okay guys, we said the inner join. When we write the inner join, we will only get the matching values from the each table. Let's come to the SQL and let's try to see what is the inner join. I will say select asterisk from the student and I will say inner join. Okay, I said that if you want, you cannot you can not write here the inner keyword. I will say the join, and with the teacher table I will write on student dot teacher ID equal teacher dot ID. Okay, and when you run this SQL, you will only get the matching values. Let's come to this student and the teacher. I will close this. And you can see the teacher I have actually 4 teachers, and in the student I have the 6 students. But I can only get here the 3 because only 3 values, only 3 records matching. That is why when you write here, when you use inner join, you will only get the matching values like this. Okay, and let's now see the left join. Left join is the join. You will get all things from the left table and you will get the matching values with the second table. Okay, let's come here. I will change this to the left join. When I run this SQL, I will get all the students from the student table, but I will get only 2 teachers from the teacher table because we said the left join is the get me or give me all records from the left table, but only matching values with the table 2. Okay, let's now see the right join. I will come here. I will change this to right join. Okay, when I say right join, I will get only 3 students from the student table, but I will get all the teachers from the teacher table because the right join is give me all the values, all the records from the right table, but only give me the matching values with the table 1. I mean, this is the student table and this is the teacher table. Okay, and I can say that the full auto join is the thing that you can write kind of like of this right join. Okay, right plus left join will give you the auto join. I mean, when you write, let's remove this. When you say the full auto join, you will get all the values. Okay, in our situation, you will get all values from the student table, from the teacher table. You will get Richard, Stephen, Peter, and Mark, and you will also get all the values, all the records from the student table. You will get Mary, Laura, Jim, Kate, Bob, Kelly, etc., etc. Okay, that is called the full auto join. Okay, guys, this was our joins section. I hope all of these are clear for you. If you're having any problem understand this, you can ask me a question and I assure you we will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay guys, let's finish this lesson here. Let's see you in the next video.